Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you a deep conditioning routine that is focused on moisture as well as protein. If you've been experiencing some shedding and dryness with your hair, this will be perfect for you. These are my results of my wash day. I am loving my results. I'm loving the progress that my hair has made. These are the products that I used. I used this shampoo. I used coconut oil to pre-poo, and the deep conditioners that I used are both by Silk Elements, the Intense Conditioning Mayonnaise, and I also use my favorite, the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Treatment. If you are not new to my channel, then you know these products are some of my favorites, but I'm going to tell you why today and show you exactly how I use them. So the first conditioning treatment that we're going to use is protein based. It's the Silk Elements Intense Conditioning Mayonnaise. This is a really good light protein treatment, and I like to start off by detangling my hair thoroughly before I use this. Note, my hair has already been washed and I already did a pre-poo before washing, so we are working on clean hair. And the reason why I like to thoroughly detangle my hair before using this product is because it is a protein treatment. So once you use this, it is really hard to comb through your hair once the product is in your hair, so you want to make sure to thoroughly detangle before applying the product. I do apply a generous amount. I just go through, kind of start off one half of my hair, lift up, make sure I get on all the sections, and then I do the same thing on the other side. I make sure I get this from the roots to the tips of my hair because I just want to get everything and make sure no strand of hair is left behind. This is a really good product if you have been experiencing shedding and you want to use something to help you with that. I would recommend trying to use this product maybe once a month, and then you can alternate to every other week if you feel like you need to do that. I get good results either way. I kind of do every other week until I notice a reduction in my shedding, and then I'll just switch back to using it every month. Now, how I like to use this: after I have applied it, I like to put on a shower cap and sit under a dryer for 20 to 30 minutes. This is what my hair looks like after the conditioner has set in there and I have rinsed it out. You guys see my hair is detangling with ease, and my hair is just not shedding anymore off of that one conditioning treatment. Now, really, if you do not have the time or you do not want to get both of the products, you can really just use the first one if you're struggling with shedding. But if you want to amp it up a little bit and just give yourself that full-on self-care experience and really just have your hair feeling not only stronger but moisturized and silky, then you definitely need to have this Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Treatment within your hair kit because it is bomb. This is one of my favorite conditioners that I have ever used, and it just leaves your hair feeling like no other. So make sure you pick this up if you have not. I'm doing the same thing that I did with the first conditioner, just applying it all over, putting on the plastic cap, and then I'm gonna sit for 20 to 30 minutes under the dryer. These are my results after I have blow dried and styled my hair. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you'll be trying these products, and let me know if there's any new products on the market that I should be on the lookout for. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.